Hello friends, I'm Ruchika. Today I'm going to discuss about e-commerce. What is e-commerce? So let us start with our first slide. Before discussing about e-commerce, first we'll discuss what is business and what is commerce. Then we'll come to the e-commerce. Business is a broad term which include economic activity conducted on regular basis to earn profit through production and sales of goods and services. Basically, business focuses on the production and selling of goods and services, whereas commerce is a part of business which includes exchange of goods and services, especially on a large scale. So, commerce is a narrow perspective and business is a broad perspective. Next, move on to the e-commerce. E is termed as electronically and commerce is exchange of goods and services. So, when goods and services are exchanged electronically on the internet platform, that is called e-commerce. In a simple language, when business is conducted electronically through internet or over online platform, that is e-commerce. Some people call it e-commerce, some would say electronic commerce, and sometimes people say internet commerce. So these are different terms used for the e-commerce. You must have heard about online shopping. OLX, Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, these all are the example of e-commerce. E-commerce includes online shopping, websites, mobile apps like we use Paytm, voice assistant, chat box, Facebook, consumer to consumer business which is on the eBay or OLX, business to the government, or when news agencies publishing their newsletters electronically, online financial exchange of currency, these all are included in the e-commerce. There are basically 6 types of e-commerce, but practically we can see more than 6 types of electronic commerce. First one is business to business, B2B, business to consumer, B2C, consumer to consumer, C2C, consumer to business, that is C2B, business to the government, B2G, and government to citizen, G2C. Sometime it is citizen to government, and that would be terms as C2G. One by one we'll discuss these different models of e-commerce. First we will discuss what is B2B, business to business. When transactions are performed between two companies, means business to business excluding the final consumer. Like if one business is selling or joining or ordering something through a website or online platform, that is called B2B. For example, when Intel selling microprocessor to Dell. So see, this is the B2B e-commerce model where one business orders through the website to a business organization, and that business organization process and supplies the order. This is the B2B, and after delivering this supplier, they will contact to the final consumer. So B2B is where one business deals with another business electronically over the internet. Similarly, business to consumer, when business deals with the final consumer electronically, that is customer orders through the website and business organization processes that order and supply to the final consumer. Like if we orders a laptop to Dell and Dell directly supply to the consumer, say Mr. X orders through internet, a laptop or a smartphone, and business organization supplies that phone or laptop. The final consumer is B2C. So we have discussed B2B, where one business deals with another business through internet. Similarly, B2C, where business deals with the consumer over the internet. Next is consumer to consumer. There are so many sites which are popular nowadays like OLX, eBay, where consumer directly approach to another consumer through this online platform. See, Mr. X buying smartphone from Mr. Y through eBay. That is an example of consumer to consumer. Consumer 1, they place an order, or suppose consumer 1 wants to sell his product through a website, and consumer 2 wants to buy that product, so they deal over internet. By this way, consumer 1 will receive the product, and consumer 1 will receive the money, and consumer 2 or customer 2 receives the product. Consumer to business, where consumer sell his or her services or products to business, like a graphic designer customizing a company logo. So graphic designer directly approach to the business. Business to government or government to business. Sometimes businessman deals directly with the government, and government further sell it to the final citizen. So that is B2G, business to government. And sometimes government sell his product or services to the business, that is government to business. Government to citizen also, where government approach to citizen, like offering services, where citizen wants to get registered their birth certificate, marriage certificate, or they want to avail the services. Similarly, citizen can approach to the government for requesting something, and the medium is websites. Thank you.